Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to a personal computer using Bluetooth. First, confirm your computer possesses functional Bluetooth hardware and that it is turned on. You can usually find this setting within your system settings menu. Also, make sure your controller is fully charged, as this prevents interruptions during the setup process. A well-charged controller ensures a smooth connection from start to finish. Now, let's put your PS4 controller into pairing mode. Simultaneously press and hold the PlayStation button, located in the center, and the Share button, found on the upper left side of the touchpad. Hold both for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. The light bar on the back of your controller will then begin to flash rapidly, signaling it is actively searching for a Bluetooth device. With your controller flashing, go to your computer's Bluetooth settings. On a Windows machine, open your settings, click on Devices, and then Bluetooth and Other Devices. Select Add Bluetooth or Other Device, and then click on Bluetooth. Your computer will scan for nearby devices, and Wireless Controller should appear in the list. Click on it to establish the connection, and the light bar will turn solid. After connecting, it is a good idea to test your controller. Open a game, or use an online controller tester to ensure all buttons and analog sticks respond correctly. If you experience issues, try restarting your computer and controller and repeat the pairing steps. For enhanced compatibility and customization options with various games, consider installing a third-party software like DS4 Windows for an even smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.